Barbie, let's go party.
Aries has billions of lines of code.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah, come on, Barbie, let's go party. Wow, wow. I think this is gonna be better. I love this one. I love it. Did you guys hear it? I love it. Let me see who says I'm here. Let me see who says I'm here. Eric. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. But guess what, guys? My iPad died before I was able to charge it. Bum, bum. But guess what? I do have my charger for my iPad. I'm all ready, guys. I'm all ready. So we are going to keep listening to good music. I'm sorry about that. I'll be using this. It's good for buff of my phone. And this is good for both of my phone and iPad. So let's do this. When I look into your eyes, let me see, where are you guys from? Where are you guys from? Oh, it said so beautiful. Thank you so much. Screen to bottom. You guys, 1 second, guys, 1 second. My iPad just died, so it's charging, it's charging. So you guys sing and I dance. What about that? Yes? You guys wanna sing and I dance? Maryland? Let's see. Louisiana, it's here. And I know this Texas. Bum, 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 bum. This New York here. New York. My hometown, New York. New York, yes, San Diego, California, San Diego, Cali. My Cali friends, let me see who else is here. Massachusetts. Welcome, Massachusetts. Let me see who else is here. Oh, Florida. Yes, that's where I am now. I'm in Florida. Hello, Florida. I love it, guys. I love it. Sorry, my iPad is still charging. My iPad totally died.